Hey y'all, it's your boy back at it again with another video. If you looked at the title, you would know that I'm about to dye my hair another color. Before we get into the dyeing portion, I do want to show y'all that I'm going to be using Color Oops to remove my hair color this time. I just wanted to show y'all and to see if it would take these colors out. Color Oops doesn't say that it's supposed to work on like semi-permanent hair colors, but it does work a little bit on semi-permanent hair color, so I figured I would try it now because I just wanted to see if I can get this black out. And then after that, I probably will, if the black doesn't come out, I might just go back over it with some more black because I still have some left over, and then do the colors on this side just to keep it like how it is, but it's going to be different colors. Or if I can get most of the black out, then I might just go over it with another color and then put the other colors that I just bought on there. So I'm going to just mix the Color Oops up to the directions, and then I'm gonna apply it everywhere, and then I will show y'all what my hair looks like after that whole process. Let me take out this puff really quick. Ugh. Okay. Alright, so you just pour the step 1 into the step 2, and then you shake it up for about 30 seconds, I think it said, until it's well mixed. And then you just apply it on anywhere that has artificial color. It's formulated to work on permanent hair color because permanent hair color kind of like adheres to the hair, kind of like nail polish, I guess you could say. And this is just like basically nail polish remover, but for hair dye that's permanent. So, but it doesn't really work on artificial color that much. Well, it says it doesn't, because artificial hair color is more of a stain rather than like a coating on the top. So that's just something to think about. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's all mixed together. I'm gonna just start applying it on the ends first. And it says to work quick because it starts to lose effectiveness pretty quickly after you've already mixed it up. So I'm just going to apply it all over. Try to get as much hair as possible, and then if I have any left over, I'm just going to go in a little bit deeper and try and touch any spots that I think I might have missed. So this I'm going to do real quick, and then I'll show y'all what that looks like real quick, and then I will be back. Okay, and I'm back, and this is what it's looking like with the Color Oops all applied. I'm gonna put it on a plastic bag and let it do its thing for 20 minutes like it says, and then I'm gonna go through that long process of rinsing it out. So yeah, I'll be back and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I know I look probably crazy as heck, but this is the best I could do with the Color Oops. I couldn't get this all the way light, so I had to do a bleach wash, and this is still as light as I can get this black side. So I was a little discouraged because I was going to do blue and pink on this side and on both sides actually, but that's probably not going to work. So right now I'm just patch testing the colors that I have. So the colors I got are the Ion Brights color in, I don't know, this probably, you can't see that. This is magenta, and then this one is flamingo. That one looks a little bit better. And then I got sky blue, which is kind of a darker color, and then I got azure, which is a lighter kind of like blue color. So this one is azure right here, this one is sky blue at the bottom, this one is magenta, and then I have flamingo back here. So I'm just patch testing to see if the lighter colors will take on this side, and if they will, then I'll probably apply some of the darker colors on this side. Right here is me patch testing azure, not azure, sky blue, the dark blue on there. I don't know why it's called sky blue, this, whatever. And then where's the pink? Oh, it's right here, but this one probably won't take. This is the magenta one. So I'm thinking if they do take, I'll probably put those on this side, but if not, I'll probably just mix the 4 colors on this side. And then on this side, I'll probably go with my Arctic Fox, because I have Poseidon, which is kind of a like, well, it was actually like this color. And then I've got Blue Jean Baby, which is kind of a blue, like a little darker blue. And then I also have Virgin Pink, which is in this color. It's actually a little bit darker than this. I don't know. Yeah, I probably can't show you yet, but this one's a little bit darker, so it'll probably take over some of these lighter spots on here. So that's the goal. I'm gonna do the patch test, and then I'll probably come back and show y'all. Well, I'll just come back and then y'all can watch me put the colors in. Okay, y'all, so it's actually the next day. I realized after I put the colors in, I was starting to get too tired, so I went to sleep. But what I did before I went to sleep was I ended up mixing the two pinks in this bowl and putting the bag on it so it didn't get dried out. And then I did the same thing with the blue, because I wanted to do pastel colors, so that's why I got the lighter colors. But I really just like the vibrant dark colors, and the darker colors fade and they last a little bit longer. So I just mixed the two in the bowls and put them in bags, and then I also parted my hair and twisted it up. I know I look crazy as hell, ooh. But I twisted it up so I can do my sections color by color. I make these sections a little bit smaller than I did in my last video, so I would have more variation of color. So, and then I didn't use all of the colors in the bowl. I saved a little bit in the tube, so if I do feel like it, I can just go in with those colors on some of these twists as well. But I did both sides, so like I said, I'm gonna do the colors I bought from Ion on this side, and then I'm gonna do the Arctic Fox colors that I've already had on this side, just to give it a little bit more variation of color, and so it looks even, like freshly done on both sides. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna put some of these up. I think no, maybe I should do the Ion side first. So I'm gonna put this side up. And then I'm gonna do the Ion side first, because those colors are a little bit lighter. And I ain't gonna use gloves because, I don't know, I just don't like using gloves when I put the color on. It's weird to me. Oh, I'm gonna make that too tight, whatever. Then I'm gonna clip these out the way. Alright, I'm gonna record it, but I'm probably just gonna skip to when I put the colors in on all this side, and then I'll just show y'all what that looks like. So, I'll be back. Alright, this is taking way longer than I expected, but it's looking like it's gonna be worth it. Look at this color payoff, guys. This pink and blue is definitely a good idea. I'm glad I asked everybody on Facebook what they thought I should do, but now I'm just gonna do the other side. It's probably gonna take me like another 30 minutes to put it on this side. It's just because these twists are smaller and I have to keep switching between colors. These are the smallest sections I've ever done, so I'm probably just gonna do this side really quick. I still have some pink and blue left over, so I might mix those, because look at this purple. This is pretty intense. What doesn't look that purple on the camera? Well, it is pretty purple. Yeah, so I might mix those two colors together and put it in on this side and see what happens with that. But I'll show y'all when I'm done, and then I will rinse it out and we'll go for the full effect at the end. Okay, y'all, so this is the color all applied. I do want to just say that this side is the dark side, the side that was black. So these colors, although they look bright now, when I rinse them out, they probably won't look like this. So it'll probably look like this on this side. Like once I rinse the colors out, this is what the colors are gonna look like essentially. But this side is still gonna be pretty much black, and then the ends might have like a little bit of tint of these colors. So I did go with a little bit more color variation on this side just because I wasn't sure how the colors are gonna turn out. So we got some purple, some pink, like some grayish color a little bit. So yeah, this is what this side looks like. This is what this side looks like. I wanted to show y'all like how I rinsed it out in the shower and stuff, but I don't have a good microphone to do like voiceovers yet, so that's gonna have to wait until probably the next time I do color. I'm still looking into trying to see what kind of microphone would be better for voiceovers. If y'all have any ideas or any suggestions, just let me know, and then I'll see if I can look into that. But for now, this is what we're looking like, and then I'll show y'all when it's all rinsed out, and yeah, I'll be back. Y'all. Y'all, look at this color. Let me just get in close so y'all can see. So this is the light side. I did see, y'all see the little variation of blue. I did some of that with the pink as well, but it turned out so good. And then on this side, oh my gosh, I was not expecting this. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. So it's like literally like the light side and the dark side. Like, honestly, I couldn't have come up with this even if I wanted to. This was a complete accident and just a bunch of mishaps after mishaps that just turned into something so good. But anyway, let me know what y'all think. I'm probably just gonna do a wash and go after this, and then I do have some hairstyles planned that I wanted to do. I do want to try my hand at doing a flex your eye set. Let's pray. I also want to do a blowout, and I want to do I need to trim my ends. So I'm probably gonna have those videos coming up this month as well. But let me know what y'all think about the color. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know what colors y'all think I should do next. I'm excited. This turned out so good. But yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was educational, entertaining, or something like that. But thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.